Hi and welcome, I am here today with HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'll be showing you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So first you have to go to your gallery or photos. Now tap on a photo that you would like to set as your lock screen wallpaper. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Choose Use As, Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and then pick Lock Screen. Okay, now if we lock our phone and try to unlock it, as you can see, we have this cute looking fox on our lock screen wallpaper. And that's everything for this video. That's how you change your lock screen wallpaper on HTC Desire 20 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.